Hey, today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden truths that lie at the heart of financial independence. The path to financial freedom is not just a destination. It's a profound journey that shapes who we are and how we engage with the world around us. In the realm of finance, independence represents not only the ability to live life on your own terms, but also the power to create opportunities for yourself and those you love. Imagine for a moment, standing at the edge of a precipice, gazing out at the vast expanse of possibilities that lie before you. The winds of change are at your back, urging you to take a leap of faith. But here's the question: are you prepared to take that leap? Are you ready to embrace the risks that come with the pursuit of financial independence? To begin this quest, we must first confront the barriers that hold us back. The greatest of these is often the fear of failure. Fear is a powerful force. It can paralyze even the most ambitious souls. It whispers in our ears, planting seeds of doubt, convincing us that we are not worthy of success. Yet, consider the great philosophers of ancient Greece, who taught us that true wisdom lies not in avoiding challenges, but in facing them head-on. So, how do we overcome this paralyzing fear? It starts with a mindset shift. Embrace the idea that failure is not a setback. It's a stepping stone on the path to success. Reflect on the moments in your life when you faced adversity. Did you allow those moments to define you? Or did you rise stronger, more resilient than before? Each setback is a lesson in disguise, a chance to grow and evolve. You must cultivate a mindset of resilience, knowing that every misstep brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Now, let's explore the practical steps toward achieving financial independence. Begin by setting clear and achievable goals. What does financial freedom look like to you? Is it the ability to travel, to pursue a passion, or to retire comfortably? Write these goals down and break them into actionable steps. Visualization is a powerful tool. See yourself achieving these goals, and let that vision fuel your determination. Next, take control of your financial habits. Examine your spending pattern. Are they aligned with your goals? It's essential to create a budget that reflects your priorities. Think of your budget as a map, guiding you toward your destination. Each dollar you spend is a step along your chosen path, so ensure that each step takes you closer to the life you envision. Consider the ancient Greeks, who emphasized the importance of moderation and balance in all things. Apply these principles to your finances. Strive for balance between spending and saving. Resist the allure of instant gratification, and instead focus on long-term rewards. The art of delayed gratification is a cornerstone of financial independence, and it requires discipline and commitment. Lastly, cultivate a network of support. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and uplift you. Engage in conversations about financial independence, and share your goals with those who will hold you accountable. The wisdom of the ancients teaches us that community is a powerful catalyst for growth. Lean on your support system in times of doubt, and celebrate your victories together. Embracing risk and uncertainty. Now, we shift our focus to a crucial aspect of the financial journey. Embracing risk and uncertainty star. In finance, as in life, the only constant is change. The world is an unpredictable place, filled with twists and turns that can either propel us forward or set us back. But how do we navigate this turbulent terrain? How do we turn uncertainty into opportunity? Consider the ancient mariners who sailed uncharted waters, driven by a thirst for discovery. They understood that every voyage carried risks, but they also recognized that great rewards awaited those who dared to venture into the unknown. Similarly, we must learn to embrace risk as an integral part of the financial landscape. It's about finding the balance between caution and courage. Start by redefining your relationship with risk. Rather than viewing it as a threat, see it as an opportunity for growth. Every investment carries risk, yet those who refuse to invest often miss out on the chance to reap substantial rewards. Ask yourself, what risks are you willing to take in pursuit of your financial goals? Understand your risk tolerance and make informed decisions that align with your objectives. Next, develop a strategy for managing risk. Diversification is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Just as the ancient Greeks embraced a variety of disciplines, philosophy, art, and science, so too should your investments span a range of asset classes. A diversified portfolio helps mitigate risk and provides a buffer against market volatility. Furthermore, cultivate a mindset of adaptability. The ability to pivot in the face of change is a hallmark of successful individuals. When faced with unexpected challenges, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I adapt my strategy to turn this situation to my advantage? Embrace the unknown with curiosity and resilience, and you will emerge stronger on the other side. As you navigate the seas of uncertainty, remember that not every decision will yield positive results. Failure is part of the process. It's a teacher that imparts valuable lessons. Reflect on your past experiences, what worked, what didn't, and why. Each misstep is an opportunity to refine your approach and strengthen your resolve. Lastly, cultivate a spirit of continuous learning. The financial landscape is ever-evolving, and staying informed is essential. Seek out resources that expand your knowledge, books, courses, and mentorship. The ancient Greeks valued wisdom above all, and this pursuit of knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions in the face of uncertainty. Harnessing the power of mindset. Finally, we arrive at a profound truth. The harnessing the power of mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Your beliefs and attitudes toward money shape your reality. As the ancients understood, the mind is a powerful tool. It can either serve you or hinder your progress. Begin by examining your current mindset. Are you driven by fear or possibility? Do you view money as a scarce resource or an abundant opportunity? The stories we tell ourselves about money greatly influence our behaviors and decisions. Challenge any limiting beliefs that hold you back. Ask yourself, what narratives have shaped your financial reality? To foster a wealth-oriented mindset, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with individuals who inspire and uplift you. Seek out mentors who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. Their insights and experiences can illuminate your path and provide valuable guidance as you navigate your journey. Visualization is a powerful practice. Create a vision board that encapsulates your financial goals and dreams. Regularly immerse yourself in this visualization, allowing it to evoke emotions and excitement. Just as the ancient Greeks celebrated their ideals through art and literature, use this practice to ignite your passion and drive. Furthermore, practice gratitude. Acknowledge the abundance already present in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive mindset that attracts further abundance. Reflect on the blessings you have received, and let this sense of appreciation guide your financial decisions. Lastly, commit to lifelong learning and growth. As you progress on your financial journey, seek opportunities for self-improvement. Attend workshops, read books, and engage in discussions that expand your knowledge. The pursuit of wisdom is a lifelong endeavor, and each step forward enhances your understanding of the financial landscape. As we conclude this exploration of financial independence, embracing risk, and harnessing mindset, remember that your journey is uniquely yours. The choices you make today shape your financial future tomorrow. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and cultivate the mindset that propels you toward your goals. Thank you for joining me today. May your path be filled with insight, resilience, and abundant success.